Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to view Record of Employment ROE in MSCA. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If your employer has submitted your ROE and you want to access it online, you can do it directly through your My Service Canada account. First, open your browser and go to My Service Canada account. Once you're here, scroll down and go to the All Services section. From there, look for Record of Employment under the Most Requested Services area. If you don't immediately see it, use the search option and type Record of Employment. Once the results appear, select the Record of Employment option. You'll then see additional information related to ROEs. Click the blue link for more information and access options. To view your employer-issued Record of Employment, you'll need to sign in to your MSCA account if you haven't already. You can sign in using a GC key, a sign-in partner, or any supported provincial sign-in option. Choose your preferred sign-in method and continue through the login process. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to access and view your Record of Employment details. And that's it. So that's basically how you can view Record of Employment ROE in MSCA. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.